channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Vetri, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Bomits. They are very powerful, efficient strategies, works on all market conditions, regardless of the market movements. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is November 21, 2022, Monday. In this video, we'll be discussing about the market performance for this day. Before that, last 2 days I'm not well, hence I'll be looking little dull. Apologies for that. BankNifty closed flat, more or less flat, 0.2% down, you can say, 42,346.60, while Nifty closed 0.8%, 18,160 exactly. So what had happened, both BankNifty and Nifty opened gap down and started drifting down, and Nifty, which if you recollect last week, last 7, 8, 10 days video, I would request you to watch. I was telling that Nifty is drifting sideways, BankNifty is drifting sideways, but more sideways drift and then it will fall. Now today's fall, Nifty fell and closed below the 10 exponential moving average, which is not a good sign. Of course, now the next resistance for Nifty is coming closely at 20-day moving average and the Bollinger Middle Band in the daily chart. So that will act as a good support for Nifty. But otherwise, that overall market texture is weak, which you have been telling for quite some time. Those who are new to my videos, you can see the last 7-8 videos you will see. We have been telling in every video. Whereas Bank Nifty, some of the components are supporting Bank Nifty, hence still Bank Nifty is showing some strength, which is why Bank Nifty remained more or less flat. So when I analyze the individual components, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Yes Bank fell 1%, Bandhan Bank fell 2%, while Axis, Indus and IDFC up by 1%. So overall, I mean, not much to say, excepting that HDFC Bank, after his big up move, is drifting sideways. So is the case with HDFC, which is why you saw weakness in Nifty. In the case of finance, Bajaj Twins fell 1%, HDFC fell 2%, as I mentioned. Shriram Transport had a big up move of 4%. So with 37% weightage of bank and financials, and Bajaj Finance, as you know, is drifting down. Today somehow it managed to close at the same level, and Bajaj fell 1%. But overall Bajaj Twins are looking weak, and the finance as a whole is looking weak, and HDFC is drifting down now. As I had been telling, it is managing. It has managed to stay above the 10 exponential moving average, but we have to see how long it can stay. Next is insurance and cards. ICICI General and SBI Life 1% down, LIC fell 2%, while all others remained flat. So this is one sector which we expected this month to go up, it didn't go, but definitely in the month of December or January, we can expect some up move, or if not in December, January we can expect up move in this, because it is coming to a rounding bottom in the monthly chart. All these SBI Life, HDFC Life and other things, hence one can consider it with a long-term view. Oil and telecom, Bharti up by 1% and Reliance remained flat. Bharti is continuing its uptrend, but we expected some sideways movement to happen, but it didn't happen. Probably we have to closely see whether it is able to go further up, because the headroom available is limited, but still it can continue moving up. We have to see how it goes up. We expected some reversal or sideways movement, but that didn't happen. The IT, Coforge fell 1%, HCL Tech, Infi, Wipro, Emphasis all fell 1%, while 2% fall in Emphasis, Apple, Birlasoft, Mindtree and LTA, TCS and Tech, 1% up move in Intellect. So overall IT sector, which you have been telling, that now it has reached the saturation point. That is why HDFC, HCL Tech, Infi, TCS, everything is 1% or so down today. But the long-term trend, it has reversed from the selling is arrested, but still good amount of buying has not picked up, which is reflecting in the technicals. Hence one has to be cautious. But anybody with a long-term view can always consider the good IT stocks. Consumer goods, DMart 1% down along with ITC and Nestle, while 1% up in HUL, Page and PVR, 2% up in ABFRL. On the auto, we had 1% down in Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge and Motherson Sumi and Mahindra and Mahindra. 3% down in TVS Motor. TVS Motor has run too much, hence we will see some pullback or corrections, whatever. So one has to be very cautious with TVS. S-Cards had a big up move of 8%. On the metals, JSW, Tata Steel and Vedanta 1% down. Hindalco fell 3%, while SAIL up by 1%, NMDC up by 3%. Jindal Steel and JSW, Jindal Steel particularly remained flat. Health and Pharma, Dr. Reddy's fell 1%, Lalpath up by 1%, while Apollo Hospital, Cipla all remained flat. In the others category, DLF, Godrej Properties and Ultratech fell 1%, Adani Ports and IndiaMart 2% down, Zomato 4% down, Nykaa 5% down, while we had 1% up move in Havells, 2% up move in APL Apollo and Delta Car, and 5% up in IEX. But these are all IEX and all these stocks are news based, event based and other things. It is better to stay away from that, any stocks that is news based. And Nykaa we have been selling for quite some time, that nothing more to repeat again. Nykaa and all might be a good brand, but if it has to command that valuation, lever has to command 100 times more than the current price. That is what we will say again and again. So with all these things, what do we expect for option expiry this week? So we expect 41,327 on the Bank Nifty. That will act as a very strong support. Why? Because that is where the 20-day exponential moving average is there. Of course, this is a moving average. Hence, by tomorrow, if you see, this level might go up. But as of today, we are saying, and Bollinger Middle Band in the daily chart, which is nothing but the 20-day simple moving average. Both are at the same level. On the upward side, it is 43,303.82. That will act as a very strong resistance. 161.8 in the monthly chart Fibonacci. So hence that will act as a very strong resistance. In the for Nifty, it is 17,910.20, November 4th opening. And on the upward side, it is 18,442.0, which is nothing but the previous week's high. That will act as a very strong resistance. Thank you very much.